These amazing old, rusted object restoration videos are really going viral on YouTube, and people love watching these satisfying restoration videos. In this video, I'll show you how to create videos like these in just 5 minutes. So, first go to Claude AI and paste this object restoration video master prompt. Then hit enter. Claude will ask you what type of restoration video you want to create. Simply choose anyone. I'm selecting type 3, so I'll enter 3 and hit enter. Then, you'll get 10 unique video ideas. Choose any one you like and hit enter. Now, you need to select the video duration. For this tutorial, I'm selecting 10 seconds. If you want to create videos longer than 10 seconds, the process is a little different, and I'll show you how to do that at the end of this video. Now, choose the aspect ratio according to your needs. I'm selecting 9:16. After that, Claude will give you one scene with an image prompt and a video prompt. Simply copy the image prompt. Go to Flow AI and paste it here. Now, select these settings for image generation. Choose Nano Banana 2 as the model and hit enter. Once the image is generated, go back to Claude. Copy the video prompt from here. Then come back to Flow AI and click the 3 dots on the image you generated. Select Add to Prompt and paste the video prompt. Now, select these settings for video generation. Choose OmniFlash as the model and set the duration to 10 seconds. Then hit enter. And that's it, your video is ready, and here's the final result. Now, if you want to create videos longer than 10 seconds, check out this video on screen. The link is also in the description. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.